Okay, I just test fitted the side here, and we've got this bolt and this bolt going all the way through and actually bolting into the bumper. And I will be fabricating a bracket onto the back here. And these holes are screwed all the way through and threaded in the back. Let's see if we can take a look here. That way I can attach the bracket to the back and give myself some strength when Mr. Tree or Mr. Bush wants to hit the side here. And likewise, see, we'll get some protection here if something decides to jump out and hit me on the trail, then I'll have a little bit of protection there. So this is the initial fit. I'll be building the brush guard in a different video. Now, what I will do to make sure that none of these bolts come loose is I am going to look up the specification for a fastener being bolted into aluminum. And for these bolts, I believe it's 30 foot-pounds. And for these, I believe it's 20, maybe 22. But I will lock tight every single bolt here. And because I'm using a battery-powered impact wrench, you know, that green-handled Ryobi, it'll be a fairly quick process where I'll just zip it out, put a drop of Loctite on the bolt, zip it back in, and then I'll have a torque wrench right there and cut. Alright, here's our finished product. One thing to note, when you make a bumper that is straight and you put it onto a crooked truck, it will look crooked. So don't measure it necessarily against the frame, but align it so that it looks good. Cut. Here's the side markers. I don't know if you can see that. Doesn't come out in the video, but you can see it in the even in the light, the sunlight. Ultra bright LEDs. I don't know if this will come out in the video. And of course we have just a piece of sheet metal, bent, drilled, painted. A couple of rubber bushings back there so that doesn't mar all our nice work, our nice handiwork, and it matches, pattern matches.